Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm here with the subject of science for class 1. As you know that we have finished our first term syllabus and we have started the revision lectures. This is our revision lecture number 2 of unit number 2, the senses. In this unit, we have already learned about 5 senses in detail. We will just revise it today. You know we all have 5 senses and these are sight, taste, smell, hearing, and touch. These 5 senses help us to get in touch with the environment. The other topic of this unit is movement. In this unit, we have briefly learnt about movement. Today, we will just revise it. You know we have different body parts and our body move in different ways. In this picture, you can see different body movements. You have to judge which body parts are being used in these movements. Dear students, we have some oral questions in this unit and you have to learn them by heart. The question is, do all people have all the senses? The answer is no, all people do not have all the senses. Find out what these people are called. A person who cannot see. जो शख्स देख नहीं सकता, he is called blind. Number 2, a person who cannot speak. जो बोल नहीं सकता, he is called dumb. And a person who cannot hear. जो सुन नहीं सकता, he is called deaf. The next question is, which sense do you think is the most important? हमारी 5 senses में से सबसे important sense कौन सी है? And the answer is sight. Because we cannot see without it. And when we cannot see, we are not able to get in touch the environment. Okay students, as we have revised the 5 senses, let's check the knowledge by doing this concept check. Write the part of the body which is used for each of the 5 senses listed below. Choose the words from these 5 options. The first one is taste. We taste things with tongue. The next is touch. We can feel touch with the skin. Smell. We smell things with our nose. Sight. We can see with the help of eyes. Hearing. We can hear sounds with the ears. Now we will revise our exercises. Choose the correct answer. The question is, which of these is not a way of moving? And the options are sleeping, hopping, skipping, running. And the right answer is sleeping. Question number 2. Which of these is not one of the 5 senses? The options are sight, breathing, taste, hearing. And the right answer is breathing. Breathing is not one of the senses. Question number 3. Which of the senses do you use while eating? हम खाते हुए इनमें से कौन सी सेंस इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Option A is hearing, smell, taste. B, smell, sight, taste. C, smell, touch, hearing. D, touch, hearing, taste. And the right answer is B. We use these senses while eating: smell, sight, taste. Question number 4. If you ate a lemon, what would you taste it with? A option eyes, B lips, C. Tongue. D. Teeth. The answer is tongue. We use tongue to taste the lemon. Question number 5. Which of the following you might do if your body was tight? जब आपकी बॉडी थकी हुई होती है तो आप इनमें से कौन सी बॉडी मूवमेंट करते हैं? A. Sneeze. B. Cough. C. Jump. D. Yawn. The right answer is yawn. Question number 2. What can you see in your classroom? Write the name of any 3 things you can see. आपने अपने क्लासरूम की कोई सी भी 3 चीज़ों के नाम लिखने हैं. The first one, chairs, bags, books. Question number 4. Write below your favorite. Number 1. You have to write here your favorite food to taste, like mango. Number 2. Your favorite thing to touch, like cat. Number 3. Your favorite thing to smell, rose. Number 4. Your favorite sound to hear, music. Number 5. Your favorite thing to see, cartoons. Let's do the question number 6. Complete the sentences using the words in the boxes. You have 5 options. Number 1 is I can dash the stars. You have to write the appropriate word. The word is I can see the stars. Number 2, I can dash the teacher speaking. What will be the right answer? Yes, I can hear the teacher speaking. Number 3, I dash hot in sunlight. And the right answer is yes, I feel hot in sunlight. Number 4, I can dash ice cream. I can taste ice cream. Number 5, I can dash flowers. I can smell flowers. Dear students, as we have finished the revision of unit number 2, I hope it will help you for your revision test. Best of luck for your revision test. Learn the oral questions by heart and learn the spellings of written questions as well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.